welcome back once again. Myself Sunil Gupta, and in this session, I'm going to start sum number 1 from admission chapter. Sum is given on the screen of your mobile. I'll read the sum. Vikram and Pradnya share profit and losses in ratio of 2:3 respectively. Their balance sheet. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 as under. These are the liabilities, these are the assets. Avni shall have 1/4 share in future profit. So Avni is going to share this much share in the future profit. He shall bring 37,500 as his capital and 30,000 as his share of goodwill. Land and building to be valued 45,000, furniture to be depreciated by 10%. So we are having adjustment on building and furniture. We'll put a tick. This is building and this is furniture. This is furniture. Okay, we have put tick, and this is the data. This is the stock. Here also we are having adjustment. So we are having adjustment on 4 items in the balance sheet. Then this is what the capital account of all the partner is to be adjusted into new profit sharing ratio and excess amount to be transferred to their loan account. This I'll show you practically. This is a question. This is the main sheet where you will be drawing revaluation account, then partners capital account, then balance sheet. These 3 items are compulsory. You will get marks over here, and these 2 are the part of working note. Already I have mentioned over here cash account and goodwill account. These 2 are part of working note. Here I'll write the books of partnership firm, and the date will be 2018. Right, so we are ready to post the entries. We'll go to the question and start posting entries. Creditors 1,05,000. We'll go to balance sheet, liability side. We'll leave few lines for capital. Creditors 1,05,000. Then capital Vikram Pradnya 75. I have already written the name of partner over here. By balance, this will be brought down because this is the opening balance. So in opening balance we'll write brought down, that is BD 75,000. Okay, and here will be dash. Then liability side is over. Asset side, cash 7,500. We'll write here in cash account to balance how much, 7,500. Cash is done, 7,500. Yes. Next, land and building 37,500. Adjustments are there. See, this yellow marked item will be recorded in inner column. Remember, because adjustments are there, that's why. Land and building 37,500. We'll go to asset side. Land and building 37,500 will be recorded in inner column. Then next, plant 45,000 outer column. Plant 45,000 outer column. Furniture 3,000 inner column. Then stock 75,000 inner column. Then debtors 87,000 inner column. $87,000 inner column. So this balance sheet is over. Now adjustments. They agreed to admit Avni as a partner on 1st April 2018. So student, the date of balance sheet will be 1st April 2018 will be the date of balance sheet. Avni shall have 1/4 share in future profit. So on the basis of this, we'll calculate new profit sharing ratio. That is compulsory. You are going to get marks. So see, what is their old ratio? 2:3. So I'll write here old ratio is 2:3. Okay. So first one is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So first we will be finding out base ratio. Base ratio will be calculated on the basis of new partners ratio, that is 1 minus 1 upon 4. Now see students, here I am solving on computer, but if you solve in your own on your notebook, you will understand very well. You will be getting 3 upon 4 if you solve this. Now on the basis of this, we will calculate Vikram's ratio. Vikram. So how to calculate? See, first of all we will be taking base ratio, that is 3 upon 4 into their old ratio is 2 upon 5. See over here old ratio is given 3 upon 5. Then you will be getting 6 upon 20. You can solve in your notebook for your better understanding. Then next partner is Pradnya. Same way, that also has to be calculated. 3 upon 4, that is base ratio, into 3 upon 5, that is their old ratio. You will be getting 9 upon 20. Now see, denominator is 20 everywhere. Next partner is Avani. Little bit way is different to calculate Avani's share. You take previous share. Now what we do, student, here denominator is 4. We have to make denominator 20. What need to be done? We have to multiply by 5 in numerator as well as in denominator. That means into 5 upon 5. ये 5 upon 5 हम लोग करेंगे, तब जाके डिनोमिनेटर 20 हो जाएगा इसका भी, इसलिए हम लोग 5 upon 5 करेंगे. Will be equal to 5 upon 20. Okay, I'll show you whether it is correct. See, 6, that is Vikram shares. How much is Pradnya shares? 9 plus how much is Avni's share? New share 5. See, we should get 20. Are we getting? That means new profit sharing ratio is how much? 6:9:5. This is the sharing ratio, profit sharing ratio. Right? He shall bring 37,500 as capital. So first you go to this side. Here I'll write new partner's name because he brings capital to Avani. Right? How much does he bring? We'll check once again. 37,500. So I'll write here 37,500. Second effect will be here by cash or bank account 37,500. Done. To effects. Now goodwill 30,000 goodwill. So what to be done is, students, in goodwill you have to give compulsory effect over here, right? Compulsory goodwill account. Now it has to be calculated in the old ratio of the partners, and it should be divided among two partners only. So look here, I'll show you here only. How much is the goodwill? 30,000 into 2 upon 5, that is their old ratio. You will be getting this much. So here will be 18,000. Kaise find out here? Total is 30,000 minus 12,000. You will be getting 18,000, and here will be dashed. New partner को share नहीं देना है. Okay. So this is the first effect of goodwill. Second effect will be goodwill account debit side. U2 to Vikram capital account 12,000 to Pradnya capital account 18,000. Total will go to outer column 30,000. Okay, two effects are over of goodwill. See, goodwill account is not closed. है ना? Goodwill account is not closed. We have to close the goodwill account. Now, goodwill is brought in cash. So second effect will go to credit side. Second effect will go to debit side of cash. I'll be writing here to goodwill account, because goodwill cash में आ रहा है ना, तो cash और बैंक का debit में भी जाएगा. How much? 30,000. And second effect will be here by cash or bank account 30,000. Okay. Next, land and building to be valued 45,000. Land and building to be valued 45,000. So we'll go to the land and building. Here is the land and building. I'll write here 45,000. Depreciation. This is 37,500. Okay. So I'll write here less depreciation, because see, this was the value in the beginning and now it is increased, so it won't be depreciation. Added value बढ़ गया है ना, it will be added. I'll write here appreciation. How much is appreciated? Is equal to $45,000 minus 37,500. 7,500 is increased. That is the profit to the business, and that's why it will be recorded in credit side of revaluation account by land and building 7,500. Two effects are done. Now furniture to be depreciated by 10%. This is the furniture. Depreciation is always deducted. Depreciation will be 300. So here will be 2,700. This is loss to the business. That's why it will be recorded in debit side of revaluation account to furniture 300. Two effects are done. Now fourth adjustment. This is RDD, right? Bad and doubtful debts means RDD. Whenever it is given, provision is given, bad and doubtful debts are given, you will treat as RDD. So here is the debtor. Always RDD is deducted How much? That is 5%. So how to calculate? Look here on your mobile screen. Okay, this is the way to calculate. 87,500 into 5 upon 10. You will be getting this much. 87,000 into 5 upon 100. So that is a loss. We will go to debit side to RDD 4350. Two effects are done. Stock 82,500. I'll write here outer column 82,500. What adjustment is given, that is the final amount. हाँ, एडजस्टमेंट में आपको जो अमाउंट दिया रहेगा वो फाइनल अमाउंट होगा. यहाँ पर भी देखो ये भी फाइनल अमाउंट है, राइट? रिमेंबर, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. सो whether it is increased or decreased, it is increased, right? Previously we had 75,000, now we are having 82,500. Check the difference. 82,500 minus 75,000, we are getting 7,500. Increase, no, it will be added appreciation. If it is increased, then that is profit to the business. Buy, stop. Now everything is done, student. For this adjustment, you need to close revaluation account first. So this is revaluation account. This side will be higher, that is 15,000. Okay, now how to calculate the difference? 15,000 minus 300 minus 4350. Right? This much is the difference, 10,500. Now second partner is Pradnya and then Vikram, and here we will be writing to partner capital account. Calculate in old ratio 10,350 into 2 upon 5, that is the old ratio. We are getting this much, 4140. Again 10350 into 3 upon 5, they will be getting this much. Now total of this should be 10,350, right? We are getting this much. This will go to partners capital account credit side. I'll write here by revaluation account 4140 and here 6210, and here will be cash. Now student, see what is this? The capital account of all the partners to be adjusted in new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we are going to do this, adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio. I'll write here partner capital account. See, this is the new ratio and this is the old ratio, right? We'll do first Vikram. How to calculate Vikram's capital into new profit sharing ratio? What is the share of new partner? Here, what is the share of new partner? New partner's share is 5, right? And how much is his capital? 37,500. So see, for fifth share, the capital is 37,500. What is the share of Vikram? 6. So for 6, how much should be the capital? Did you understand what you need to do? You need to do cross multiplication. 37,500 into 6 upon 5. We'll be getting this. Now next, Pradnya, again same way, new partner share is 5. For 5 share he has capital, it is 37,500. Then Pradnya share is 9. Then for 9 share, how much should be the capital? Calculation: 37,500 into 9, okay, into 9 upon 5. Cross multiplication, you'll be getting this much. And no need to calculate Avni's capital. Avni's capital, it is already known, that is 37,500. Okay, so 45,000, 67,500. I'll write here to balance, get it down, 45,000 and here 67,500. We'll check this amount, 37,500, 67,500. Okay, 67,500, correct. So what you do, you make the total of this. This is 91,140, 91,140. This one is 99,210, 99,210, and this is 37,500. We need this amount over here. In this way it will be taken. Right. Now you find out the difference. See, go back to the question. What does it say? Excess, right? Excess amount to be transferred to their loan account. So we will check how much is the excess. See how to do that. 91,140 minus 45,000. Then same way here to 99,210 minus 67,500. And here is nothing. Okay. Now these two items will go. This is to loan account. All these items will go to balance sheet. First, I'll write here to partners capital account. Vikram, Pradnya. Now you take Avni. She has admitted 45,000, 67,500, 37,500. Right? To check this amount, 45,000, 67,500 and 37,500. Total of this is 1,50,000. Now I'll write here because no place is there. I'll write here partner loan Vikram 46,140. And Pradnya 31,710. Okay, total of this is 77,850. Now close cash account. Total is 75,000 will be written over here. Same way, there is no amount in credit side, so whole amount will be balanced to balance. What will be here? Carried down, right? Because this is the closing balance, and this closing balance of cash and bank will come over here. That is cash or bank account 75,000. Now we have to check whether the balance sheet is getting tally. This side total is 3,32,850. I'll write here 3,32,850. 3,32,850. And this side total is 87,043,50. Now we'll check. 2 lakh 32 850. Right? We have got it. 32 850. So in this way we have done it. So student, this is the way to solve the sums. I hope you must have understood this sum. Now you can solve this sum independently in your own. And see, goodwill account is not closed because I didn't pay much attention on these two accounts because these two are the part of working note. Okay, so thank you very much for today's class.